Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Adventure 420. My name is Diego Camargo. Today I'm super excited because I just got in the mail my new saddlebag rack for my Kawasaki Versys 300, and we're gonna do the unboxing and then we're gonna install it on the bike. So stay tuned, check this video out. If you don't know how to install them, I'm gonna show you right here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot to keep making these videos for you guys. Alright my friends, here we are with the package. I ordered these racks from Revzilla. That's where I've been ordering my parts lately. This video is not sponsored by them, but that's just let you know where I buy my stuff. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna open the box and let's see what we got here. We got the racks. We got my receipt from Revzilla. This rack cost me a total of, I think it was $178. Comes very well packaged in bubble wrap. And let's open it up. Let me get rid of this bubble wrap. There you go. So we got one side and then the other side. I'm just gonna place. I got a very small table. I gotta buy a bigger table. But this is the back brace, as you guys can see it. So where's my knife? And there you have it. We got some spacers, instruction manual, which, yeah, it looks like an IKEA instruction manual. It should be pretty easy to install. And we have some screws, some long screws, short screws, and some spacers. We have some nuts and bolts, pretty much. All right, let's do this. Let's go install them. All right, so the first step, what we're gonna do is, this is the passenger peg, you guys. Okay, so the original comes as a pin with a little security pin. So we're gonna take that off, and then we're gonna replace that pin with this bolt. Okay, so we're gonna do that right now, and I'll show you guys how it looks in a little bit. Alright guys, so that's the pin and the security pin that I took off the foot peg. And so now this is the GB hardware that comes included. We're gonna replace that pin with this screw and with these two washers and these two nuts. Okay, so first we're gonna put the big washer into the bolt, just like so, and then we're gonna come here and put the screw right there. So now we're gonna grab this small washer and put it in the bottom with the flat nut, this guy. Okay, so put this one first, then this one. So you're gonna tighten it, but not too tight. You gotta make sure this still operates normal, okay? So next step is we're gonna remove these two bolts, those are gonna be replaced by the GB hardware, and we're gonna put a spacer here as well. So here you go, we're gonna take this, comes really tight. You can hear that, it was super tight. And these bolts are gonna be replaced. So I'm gonna take this bolt off. No, this one was alright. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the side rack. I'm gonna put it in the bottom first, okay? In the bottom first. And then I'm gonna grab the longest screw with a security washer. We're gonna put a security washer here on the bolt, and then I'm gonna put the spacer, and then goes right there. And that bolt will be 5 mil. The original bolts, these are gonna be 6 mil hex. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it hanging there for a minute. Grab the other bolt, do the same, put a security washer. You'll go right. Now it came off from the bottom. There we go. So this is a pretty easy installation. Screwing it in. Same in the back. I'm gonna take these hard, guys. Same in the back. Put some manpower. And last but not least, I'm gonna put the security nut here. And that has no washer right in case. It's one of those flat nuts. Got its own washer. And that's a 10 mil. So we're gonna tighten that up. Alright my friends, and we are into the very last step. We did exactly the same thing we did in the left side, we did it on the right side. And the last step is the back brace. So this one's gonna go right here. So it's gonna be this little sharp bolt with a security washer, okay? Hope you can see it there. Here and here. And we put one on one side, the other one on the other side. And we're gonna tie this up. Let's do this side first. Nice. Do the other side. It's just very simple steps. You just do and repeat. Same thing one side and the other. Make sure this is nice and tight. Okay, that's good. Oh, it looks dope. Nice. All right, and we're done. So this was here. So I took it off because If I leave this on, I'm afraid that it's gonna damage my soft bags. So I took it off, leave it nice and flat there. I did left this one on though. I don't think this is gonna cause any damage to my bags. But if I see it's rubbing too hard, I'll take them off too. But these are designed for the GB hard cases. Okay, they come off, you can take them off. But that's it, check it out. I got and I also put the GB engine guards. There is a video for that. Go check it out. I link it at the end of this video. And it's gonna look awesome. I can't wait to get my bags.